I think one of the most dangerous things to cybersecurity is how often you see bad things. Because as a security tester, your job is to find all the bad things in a company. And if that's what you do 40 hours a week, it's probably going to be more because we spend so much time doing this and it's our passion. We love it. So let's say 80 hours a week, you're looking for bad things. It's very easy to just see there's crap everywhere, right? No one does their job because your job is just to highlight. You're not really highlighting the good things. And when you go into that mindset and only highlight bad things, don't highlight the wins, don't spend times on the positive, the people on the other end of that report probably aren't going to want to talk to you. So when you get down that logic of you just handing your report, they get the report, they're like, yep, you did a good job. And then they don't want to talk further, you're never going to learn why they can't fix some of your things. So what I find always helps is try to be positive, and then also like try to talk to the technical people that get your report.